You are watching Trading Gist TV. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending your time and from where you are viewing. Yeah, today is another amazing testimony. The testimony will blow your mind. You know, right testimony of the man is confessing. It's a confession. I always say that in Africa, Nigeria, see, Buhari is not our problem. Buhari is not our problem. The politicians, the pastors, all the obas and the what you call the chiefs, they are the problem of our nation. They're the one influence those youth to go and become robbers. You know, there's a video I posted on this channel how a guy, you haven't watched the video, I'll link it here, watch the video. This guy is confessing how Ned Wonko recruit them. They're working with that Yipo called billionaire, Jadane Papa. This man, this guy confessed how they would be doing things for this man. But at the end, the man will not take care of them. That's why he is crying out for help. Same thing with this testimony, this confession this policeman gave. He's a policeman. That will link the video for you to watch. My God. How can somebody even do something and people just they will come and just give you money you release? Instead of you protecting the country, you are instead destroying the nation. To tell you how, when I will say we Nigerians, we are going nowhere. We don't go anywhere. I'm telling you. We're never rich. If you're supposed to take care of the country, they will say, okay, you're the governor of this state. You not take care of the state. Instead, you'll be robbing all the ones that they have to enrich you and your family. You employ small young boys that are supposed to be taking care of their own future to go and be robbing people, come and give it to you. Really, Niger. This confession, guys, when you listen to it, you say this man, how can they? A policeman, you could say a policeman, but you are the one engineering all those things. You could say a minister, or you could say a politician or governor, but you are the one engineering all the bad things in the community. And then you be blaming Buhari. Buhari did it. Buhari, what has Buhari done? You people are the problem. When they put you somewhere as a governor, it's for you to take care of your community. If you are a policeman, you are a commissioner, you take care of this. Nobody go around robbing people, sending people to go and rob people for you. When they that's why they're in Nigeria. If you have a case, go nowhere. Because they know where, they know now, we'll meet Oga. Also meet Oga, matter not finish. Or they'll just call, let me come Oga. Oh God. See, Nigeria, wake up. People should wake up. Wake up. Watch the video and leave me a comment below. Thank you for subscribing to this channel.
For
police.
So yes, but I know keep person for Nigeria or better chop bribe. Almost all the old proper for Benin, I know all of them. And they collect bribe for their hand.
He almost all the old armed robber for Benin Kingdom.
Yeah, yes.
You they collect bribe. How they give you bribe?
Yes, well the one when I fair arrest, we call go his house. When we go search his house, we call the gun because person report say he use gun threatening now. So when I can't reach the area and I can't be area where me they stay. So because of that one, when we call they search the house now, I can't see the gun. But I not tell the rest policeman say I don't see the gun though. I can't keep quiet. I can't your right say I not see anything for the house. Everybody can sign. We can't come on. So later now, the family come meet me for house. Come they start say I not bring the gun come on because they say I see her. So from there now, the boy now come be my friend. They come they tell everybody say see how they help her. So they come they give me money. So maybe if anything just happen, I will just know say at them, but I know they arrest them. And we see they arrest innocent people. And when they don't do anything, we just collect money. But I don't keep anybody, no blood in my hand. But the only thing when I do, maybe person just thief something now, or just know say that the person thief, I just go meet and say, may give me my own for inside. If you just give me, I'll just allow and go. I not do anything. So now
then all those armed robber, if they arrest, they come on a police station, they free them.
Yes, who they collect money for their hand free. They will not get money for inside. Who not see money bring, will carry and go court.
Eh?
So who see money bring come, will they allow, will collect money for my allow and go.
But I know verse, so I think say na police, now then they repair land.
Normally, na police suppose repair land. So this why I join all those groups. You get one man when come from abroad when he use gun take shoot person. So we can go arrest the man now, come station. Before we know, we can transfer the case go stay CID. Before we reach the CID, our guy for stay CID just release on bail. I mean, we see the gun that time. So anytime we arrest criminal, our guy will release on bail. So when we come and say we they risk our life to the arrest, and then they release we be the enemy, and we they come outside. Now we say see join them. No, maybe not say we. Now me say see join them. Because it's risky for me to the arrest them, or guy will they release. So now because instead of me to be enemy to the waka. Now me they waka for street. They me say join them, so I can't really join them become their friend. Don't be saying my tension, but for me to date safe.
Then I want to ask you another thing. If I'm robber the thief, they can't call una say, "Mona come, I'm robber una they go."
No, with the rich road, we they let the robber finish before we go there. Or we reach road will stay first before the robber will finish before we buy. Blow alarm, go past the area.
Una go one because the armed robber people una don't already know them.
We didn't know many of them. We didn't depend on the area. We didn't know some of them well.
And so una go hunt for road, make the rob finish before una come say na now una they come.
Yes. So when I call dream, say I engage gunshot with armed robber. And that day, no, they waiting. Now that day, me come out for the work. My mind come out. Though I never come out finish. So now that day, my mind come out for the job. And the day when one pastor meet me, say me give put a gun for a brother house, so that we can search the house. See the gun for the brother house, we can sentence and go prison. So that the land when they once said they will see chancellor. And that day, I just come out for the job.
Pastor.
Yes, for Mission Road. Yes, the pastor. I know the pastor well. I know where.
Pastor, you want set the brother up?
Yes. Now me will go tell the brother say, I see what your brother want to. No, I know you tell her openly. We already arrange her. Yeah, now 2 times in 2 ways they talk her. What really happen? He get one house when they back of a bank for Mission Road. One house he did back of First Bank there. So they can't say bank want buy the house for 40 million. And the owner of the house, the first son of the house, now let in mama born and polygamous. So then the man can say no, he not go ever sell the land. They will say that yeah, he bury a parent. So because of that reason, they not sell the land.
Mm-hmm.
So and the pastor wants sell that land by all means. Me and the brother for Lagos. So then they can't make trouble with the man. They can't report the case of my station and maybe the IPO. I can't go arrest the man. When I arrest the man station now, when I look the matter, I say that man are just innocent. But instantly I can't like dictate the man. May I just find out what really happened. So now pastor come meet me or he can't let me know say this man not be say really doing anything. Say the man in a poverty man, the man want that put. Now say what thing happen? He said the main issue the man want if the man not allowed them sell the land, collect 40 million. So right now the main thing when one make me do for the man, make me say if I do one, they will give me 5 million naira for inside the 40 million. That's okay. What is the issue? You can't say maybe the food as the man there inside say, make me say I want to go buy a food for inside say. Then I'll put poison for the food, take kill the man. So that then we'll see chance to sell the house, make the case close. Or if we no fit do one, then we'll make allegations say the man an armed robber. He use gun threaten them. So we will go put gun for the man house. So that if we go search the house, we see the gun for the man house, we can't use and prosecute him. Either we shoot and die instantly, or we'll carry and go for life imprisonment. That's okay. The pastor get big church for Benin. I think call you tomorrow, tell you his name. So
the pastor get big church for Benin.
Yes, mommy.
Hey.
So now we say I can't call my father. Say see opportunity because me just nearly joined the job. And my father say no. Say me not trying, me not kill anybody because of money. Say if I stay for life, I go see that money. Say me not share any blood. As my father tell me that thing, my mind can't really just discourage. And my boss then still very nice man. I can't see go tell my God. They see what this man talk. Now he can say, okay, whether me if he allow the man to repeat the word again. Now I say yes, I will call him for I will record the call. So I can't really call the mic, I can't record the call. So now my God can use that call to arrest the pastor. For that bribe, when me they talk that time, I want to come up again. So after we arrest the pastor now, me don't know what him or God pastor see. Before me know, but they don't release pastor on bail. Pastor not going to talk to me again.
You see?
So the man, they can't carry the case come on from my hand. They can't give another person. After like 2 months, I say they demolish the house. I don't even know what happened again, but it's not in my hand.
You not see?
I say it happened on me. So I say as I take collect bribe from my brother and everything, I come meet you, may you pray for me. Though I don't.
But I want to ask you a question for Benin Kingdom. Which area armed robber full pass, please?
The area where robber full pass, Upper, he full Upper where he full Iogbe, Oloton, Iogbe, Lagos Street. Upper Lagos Street, Iogbe, and those 3 areas might be the dangerous area for Benin mostly. And where you need Ubowo. So now those areas for Benin are there the umbrella for Benin are there for the hide. Though they not even they hide, police know them. Most of our people know them. So not to say that they hide, they only they hide for civilians. They don't they too hide for police.
Hallelujah. Oh Jesus, hallelujah. I'm a Lugure. Kere no. Hallelujah. God is so wonderful. Do you know why I love your testimony? You speak English. The whole world they listen. Scott time again. Which area I'm robber full for Benin? I want me to repeat that.
The area Upper, Ubowo, Lagos Street, and the Ogbe. Those areas, so now no going area. So no going area. All those Ogbe Rock and TV Road, all those just joined the journey Ogbe, all those areas, so they not they go there for nights. And Mission Road too. So and there the fool.
Okay, but
so most of our people,
the time when you be police, no any of those big men can't tell you say come arrest so innocent person. Big men.
Would they do some arrest? They don't be just arrest or just go pick the person, just beat her. Sometimes we just even though we see gun for their hand, no problem. As they see that they release her instantly. Big men, big men they commit crime for Benin mostly. They use the small one. If we arrest any small boy with a gun, now big men that they call, they don't hold me. Those ones will just come release them.
Okay.
Instantly. Maybe when we try to see stubbornness.
The big men, how if the big men, what is that they dress? If they call police, how they dress?
That they so they not chief. Some of them are chief.
Some of them wait. Some of them are chief.
Now chief now that they all beat, that they wear beat. Some of them are our chief of palace, some of them are politicians. Yes. The chief. Most of them are chief.
I think one has one. I think
Maybe chief.
Where they go?
No, the Benin mommy, everybody for that Benin, most of the houses, everybody they support armed robber. So why I joined the job, why I really joined to the job collect money for armed robber. When I found out the majority, 90%, all of them they sponsor armed robber, and some of them armed robber themselves.
Wait, my brother, not vessel. Do you know why I'm interested to the chief people? Because chief people, they put them, make they repair the land. Are you really sure with the... Wait.
No.
Are you really
Okay,
sure, say, now chief people, chief, pull that rabbit, now then they back arm robber for Benin?
Now then, Upper Market police station have work. Now, you know, they now then get the Upper Market now. And now then, I spent 6 years for Upper Market.
Now then they support arm robber for Benin. Where go?
Yes. Now then, I have work. Now then they help us. Now they can't release them for our hand.
Where go? Where get dofo?
They can't release them. So if you not comply, you become enemy. So as I say, the women effective they are not will last for the road. Now I can't change. Go join them. So when I come say the thing now will favor me later at the end of the day, now I just come abroad here. Though I not be enemy to them, now I be their friends because I not hurt any of them. I collect money for them later, even though I still gone for their hand.
Okay, God bless you for your confession.
Guys, if you don't know Salt and Water Ministry, that is Mommy Iyori she's in Paris. Try to follow her. For me, I always say something this woman say for me, it's more than even this our GOs and pastors. I'm telling you. Forget about her looks. See this man confessing on her show. Police. I don't know. God should help us in Africa. Oh. The whole Africa now is something else. People that are supposed to protect us, they're the ones that are robbing us. Those are the things that they will be, God, how can the chiefs, the Oba, they're the ones engineer all these things. God have mercy. I'm telling you, God have mercy upon the children.